In this video, like every month, we're going to talk about this month on Visa Bulletin Board, basically May 2022 Visa Bulletin Board, and also NVC update of this week. If it's something you've been waiting for, just stay tuned and I'll be right back. USA Mon. Hello my beautiful people, this is John from USA Mon. Welcome back and thanks for watching. If it's your first time on my channel, as always, welcome here. My main goal is to help newcomers, permanent resident, and also U.S. citizens here in the United States of America regarding different topics, mostly I-130 process, and sometimes we talk about anything that can help newcomers here in the United States of America. But today's video, like I just said in the introduction, is about this month on Visa Bulletin Board for some of you guys who petition for your relative and waiting for your priority date to become current. Well, I'm going to show you this month on Visa Bulletin Board for date for filing and also final action date. But let's start with an NVC update. So this week NVC announced on the website that they are working on cases they received from USCIS on April 19. Well, it means that some of you guys who petition for your relative, you receive your approval letter not long ago, and the beneficiary is immediate relative. Chances are you will get your welcome letter very soon from NVC National Visa Center. Like I always tell you guys, some of you guys who are not immediate relative, you're gonna wait until your priority date is current or after your priority date is current before you can start your immigrant visa process. Sometimes you will receive your case number, invoice ID before the priority date becomes current, but you won't be able to start the immigrant visa process. Okay, so basically when you receive your welcome letter, what you're gonna do. So this information is for some of you guys who are new in the process, because every week we have a new subscribers and new viewers who don't know exactly how the process works. So once you get your welcome letter, you're going to log into NVC Computer Electronic Application Center. You're just going to follow the instruction in the welcome letter. Then you will log into the system to pay fees and also to submit a document. Okay, so every time you submit a document, NVC have to review those documents. So talking about document, this week NVC announced on their website that they are reviewing document they received from you guys on February 13. Okay, they will review the document. They will also review the fee that you pay. So if everything is correct, then the beneficiary is going to be documented to qualify, meaning that you, the petitioner, and the beneficiary are going to wait until the NVC schedule an interview appointment for you. And the third update is regarding emails. Some of you guys have a question but you don't know who to ask. You send those questions to NVC. Well, NVC announced on the website that they are responding to inquiries they received from you guys on March 11. Okay, so all you gotta do is to check your email box, your inbox, and also log into NVC Computer Electronic Application Center to see if you receive a new email from NVC National Visa Center. Guys, I think the main important thing about this weekly update is document they are reviewing, because case they receive from USCIS, you don't know if it's your case or you don't know if it's the I-140. It's kind of vague, but at least for document they are reviewing, you know that they are reviewing document like 3 months after they receive them. So you're gonna have an idea if they start reviewing your document this week or not. I think it's very important. Also the emails, if you send them the email, let's say around March 11 or whatever, you know that they're gonna start responding to those emails. I think those two things are very important. Like I said at the beginning of this video, now we're going to talk about May 2022 Visa Bulletin Board. If you are ready, let's go in front of my computer. Okay guys, today we're going to talk about family sponsor preferences, so which means F1, F2, so it's going to be F2A, F2B. We're going to talk about F3 and also F4. For some of you guys who don't know what they are, F1 is basically unmarried sons and daughters of U.S. citizens. We got F2A, which is on spouses and children of permanent resident. We got F2B, unmarried sons and daughters 21 years of age or older of a permanent resident. F3, which is married sons and daughters of U.S. citizens. And also F4, which is brothers and sisters of adult U.S. citizen. Okay, so now we're gonna start with date for filing. So some of you guys still don't know how to read the chart. So this is the date for filing chart. So basically, some of you guys who are waiting for a welcome letter in case your relative will come to United States of America on immigrant visa, or some of you guys who are waiting to adjust your status here in United States of America in case the relative lives here. What you're gonna look for, you're gonna check this chart over here. So this one is for F1 category. So you see that they have in different countries, and also this column over here, which is all chargeability areas except on those listed. So basically, if your country is not China, mainland born, India, Mexico, or Philippines, all you gotta do is to focus over here. Okay, that's all you need to do. Let's say your country is Jamaica, your country is Philippines, your country is Iraq, or Afghanistan, your country is Ghana. You're gonna look over here. Okay, over here. So for F1 category, the cutoff date is on May 15 2016. For China, mainland born, India, Mexico. For China, mainland born, India, same cutoff date. For Mexico is on May 1st 2001. Philippines on April 22nd 2015. So in case your priority date, meaning the day your petition was filed, is before this date, it means that it's current. Okay, so if you don't receive any notification from either USCIS or NVC, you can call them and contact them. Sometimes USCIS will use just date for filing. I think sometimes they use both of them, date for filing and final action date, but you double check on USCIS website to know which one they are checking. Okay, so for F2A, which is current, so there's nothing you're gonna check your priority date against. You're just gonna gather your document and start the process. For F2B, we got September 22nd 2016 for this category right here. I just explained it. China, mainland born, same day, same cutoff date. India, same cutoff date. Mexico is May 1st 2001, and then Philippines October 1st 2013. For F3 category, we have this category right here. August 22nd 2009. China, mainland born, same cutoff date. India, same cutoff date. Mexico March 1st 2001, and Philippines November 8 2003. And then F4 category, for final action date, we have people who are from another country except on these countries right here. The cutoff date is October 1st 2007. The same thing for China, mainland born. And then India is on February 22nd 2006. Mexico March 1st 2001. And then Philippines April 22nd 2004. If you see over here, F3 and F4, they have the same date when it comes to season of Mexico. Okay, now let's move to final action date. So for final action date, basically those are people who are waiting for an interview appointment letter, or people who are waiting to get a green card if they live here in the United States of America. So basically they're waiting for the decision, right? So if you're an F1 category and your country of origin is none of these countries, like it's not China, mainland born, it's not India, Mexico, or Philippines, just like I just explained for date for filing, what all you gotta do is to check this column. That's all you have to focus on. Okay, so if you're an F1 category, I already show you what F1 is. So the cutoff date is December 1st 2014. Same thing for China, mainland born, in India, but Mexico is on January 1st 2000, and Philippines on March 1st 2012. So basically, if your priority date is before this date, it means that it's current. Then you should receive a notification from either USCIS or NVC, depending on where the beneficiary lives. Okay, so F2A category is current also for final action date. There is no, you don't have to check the priority date against any date here. Well, these people will soon receive a notification like interview appointment letter once NVC is able to schedule the interview, or they will receive a decision from USCIS whether or not their green card is approved, so they can get a green card. For F2B category, we have on September 22nd 2015 for countries in this column right here. China mainland born same cutoff date, India same cutoff date, but Mexico is different. On January 1st 2001, and Philippines October 22nd 2011. For F3 category, we have this column right here, which is November 22nd 2008. China mainland born same cutoff date, India same cutoff date. And Mexico is different, on September 15 1997, and Philippines on June 8 2002. And then we have F4 category for final action date. People who are in this category, meaning that people who are no citizen of these 4 countries right here, your cutoff date is March 22nd 2007. And then China mainland born March 22nd 2007 also. But India is on September 15 2005, Mexico January 1st 2000, and Philippines on August 22nd 2002. Okay, so basically that's what is going on as far as visa bulletin board. If you have a question, please let me know in the description below. That's it for today's video. I hope you guys love and learn something from it. If you know somebody you think might benefit from the video, please share it with that person. If you like the video, click on the like button. If you want to be notified every time I have a new video, well, click on the bell. Okay, you see that? Just click on it. If you want to subscribe to this channel, all you gotta do is to click on the subscribe button. Once again, my name is John. Thanks for watching, and I talk to you guys in another video.
USA Monde.